Namaste. Your Nivesh Guru is back with another lesson. Most people think retirement is just about getting a one-time lump sum. But today, I want to show you a smarter way to handle that wealth. Systematic lump sum withdrawal, or SLW. It's about making your money work for you even after you retire. So what is SLW? Think of SLW as your personal pension top-up. Instead of taking your 80% lump sum all at once, SLW allows you to withdraw it in a phased manner. You can choose to receive fixed amounts at regular intervals, be it monthly, quarterly, half-yearly, or even annually, right up until the age of 85 or earlier in case you exhaust your corpus. An example: NPS returns are subject to market risk, and the numbers mentioned in the example can vary in reality. Let's look at the numbers. Imagine you have a lump sum corpus of rupees 50 lakhs and you opt for an SLW of rupees 6 lakh annually till your corpus is exhausted. This ensures that you get that steady income every year. But here's the magic. Because the remaining balance stays invested in NPS, it keeps giving you market-linked returns. Let's assume that the balance corpus will give an average return of say 11%. Now you could potentially withdraw a total of rupees 92 lakhs over 15 years and still have over rupees 32 lakh left in your account. That is the power of staying invested. The double benefit. Why choose SLW? It gives you two major advantages. First, it ensures a steady additional cash flow alongside your regular annuity pension. Second, and most importantly, the money you haven't withdrawn yet stays invested in your NPS account, earning market-linked returns that can significantly increase your total wealth over time. Flexibility and control. SLW puts you in the driver's seat. You can choose the exact amount you want to withdraw or specify the age until which you want these payments to continue. Whether you want to fund a long-term hobby or simply have extra monthly pocket money, SLW adapts to your lifestyle. It's completely flexible. You can modify or cancel your SLW online at any time and receive the remaining corpus in your bank account. The LIC PFL advantage. At LIC Pension Fund, we make managing your SLW simple and transparent. The CRA digital platform allows you to set up your withdrawal frequency with just a few clicks. While you enjoy your second innings, our experts continue to manage your remaining corpus with the same trust and excellence that defines us. Don't just retire, retire smart. With SLW, you turn your lump sum into a lifelong companion. Invest with trust. Invest with LIC Pension Fund. Let your money keep working for you. LIC Pension Fund. Financially secured, dignity assured.